Yeah, I just want to show you the interface of this AI that we have and that no one else has. We actually been working with the developer on this. It's crazy because it's like ChatGPT, but it does things. So with ChatGPT, it's a question and answer, and it brings back incredible info. I mean, that's super powerful. But what's even more incredible is when you type in a prompt into this field right here, it'll do things that you ask it to do. This is the AI of AIs. This AI is connected to all of the Hugging Face AIs. Hugging Face is like an open source AI platform, and there's about 300,000 different types of little AIs that do different functions and tasks. It's also connected to some databases, like Foursquare, for example, that has 80 million business owners. It's also connected to the applications in Zapier. So like all the tech companies and SaaS, and so it's like the AI of AI. So as AI advances, so does this naturally, because it's connected to everything. And this interface right here, all it does is you ask it to do something, and then it just figures out how to get it done. So let me type in an example for you. Let's say that you're big into network marketing, and let's say that you do financial services. Let's do find affiliate marketers. I think that's a good niche. It could be anything. This is limited to your imagination, really. So find affiliate marketers who would be interested in let's see, well, let's get specific. So interested in offering the self-employed tax, and this is connected to the internet as well. So ChatGPT is not necessarily connected to the internet. All the data that ChatGPT has is from, it's like a year or 2 years old. So that's another cool thing, is you can get current, like up to date, like right now info across the web, and it'll search the web and all that kind of stuff. To find affiliate marketers who would be interested in offering the self-employed tax credit to their networks, email lists, and social media accounts. And then create, let's see, send personalized emails to them with my affiliate link at, and I'll just make up this link here. Fundwise. I'll just do our website, and let's hit enter and see what it comes back with. So it's gonna set a task, and the task will be to start working on this. So let's see what it says. So I asked that question: find affiliate marketers who would be interested in offering the self-employed tax credit to their networks, email lists, and social media accounts. Send personalized emails to them with my affiliate link right there. Search, okay, this is the task that it sets. Search online forums, communities, and social media groups related to affiliate marketing. Identify potential affiliate marketers who have a strong network. It's just kind of knowing what I want, because I didn't say find affiliate marketers who have a strong network and are interested in financial topics. Compile a list of their contact information, such as email addresses or social media profiles. Craft personalized emails introducing the self-employed tax credit and highlight its benefits. Include your affiliate link at, here's the link, in the email. Send the personalized emails to the identified affiliate marketers, explaining the potential partnership and the commission they can earn. It's added all this stuff, which is just awesome. Follow up with those who show interest or respond positively. All of this is is the task that it is doing itself. It's not telling you to follow up with those who show interest or respond positively. It's the AI that will be doing that. So what if you want to create maybe a TikTok account and have the AI create like a TikTok video every day that talks about your opportunity or your network marketing. Let's see. Create a TikTok account. Let's see. Let's just say create TikTok videos about the opportunity I have on fundwise.com/affiliate, which offers an AI marketing tool that helps business owners generate leads. Create a new TikTok video each day to get people to sign up for our offer. Yeah, let's do that. Create TikTok videos about the opportunity I have on fundwise.com/affiliate with offers on AI marketing tool that help business owners generate leads. Create a new TikTok video each day. And then here's the task that it sets for itself. And when it needs help, like if it needs access to an email account, you could create separate email accounts for this if you're nervous about the AI logging into your own email account and sending out emails. So you could do research. This is the task that it's going to do. Research popular TikTok trends and challenges. Create engaging and informative videos showcasing the benefits of Fundwise.com affiliate. Use catchy captions and hashtags to attract viewers and potential signups. Share the videos on your TikTok account daily to reach a wider audience. Monitor engagement and adjust the content strategy if needed to maximize results. So whatever you can think of, if you want the AI to build out your network marketing company and recruit people, if you want it to generate leads for financing, for the self-employed tax credit, if you want it to run YouTube marketing accounts, if you want it to run Twitter accounts, it can do all of that at the same time. It's like each task that you put in is like a virtual assistant that you're hiring to do a certain job, and you can have many tasks going on at the same time. So this will change the world. Now I hope your mind starts to race, because this is just unbelievable. It's exciting stuff. So I'm lucky to be connected with Kevin and Umbrella so that we can work together in using this tool to help lots and lots of business owners file for the self-employed tax credit as well.